Hey guys!
Today we'll be making pineapple upside down cake.
For more recipes,
Consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen. We're gonna start by following the instructions on the cake mix box.
We'll add our ingredients into a large mixing bowl and mix until it's well combined.
These next steps are the most important as they're gonna determine how your cake will look.
Start by melting butter to coat the bottom and the sides of your pan.
Add a layer of brown sugar to the bottom of your pan. Doing this will create a caramelized look.
And also will give it amazing taste. Add your pineapples to your pan and create your desired look. Next, add your cherries to all your empty spaces.
Remember, the bottom will be the top of your cake. Pour in your cake mixture. Allow your cake to cool for 10 to 15 minutes.
Our cake was sticking on the sides, so we used a butter knife to help loosen it.
Use a tray bigger than your pan, and then you're gonna flip it.
thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon!